टू अ न्यू वीडियो। आज का वीडियो होने वाला है अ ह्यूज फ्रिकिन्स ट्राई ऑन हॉल। फ्रिकिन्स के कपड़े मुझे काफ़ी ज़्यादा पसंद है, स्पेशली द जीन्स, और मैं काफ़ी ज़्यादा शॉपिंग करती हूँ फ्रिकिन्स से। इफ़ यू माइट हैव सीन फ्यू रील्स हियर एंड देयर, सो आई थॉट लेट्स जस्ट डू अ क्विक सिट डाउन वीडियो शोइंग ऑल द जीन्स दैट आई गॉट फ्रॉम फ्रिकिन्स। सो या, विदाउट फर्दर डू, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। Let's start with jeans number 1. This is definitely one of my favorite jeans that I've got from Frickins, और ये मैं इतना ज़्यादा पहनती हूँ बिकॉज इसका यूज केस भी इतना ज़्यादा है. It's just a blue jeans, wide leg है, it has 2 ribs on the knees, and the way it fits, the way it just complements so many tops, I'm in love. And also the shade of this blue, as you can see, it has this kind of लाइन्स ओवर हियर. ऐसे नहीं दिख रहा है बट कैमरा में डेफिनेटली पिकअप हो रहा है ये लाइन्स राइट ओवर हियर. इट लुक्स रियली रियली गुड. ऑल्सो बिफोर यू आस्क, सारे जीन्स मेरे साइज 30 में है. फ्रिकिन्स में साइज 30 फिट्स मी द बेस्ट. सो या, this is how the jeans looks like. You can see how it looks on me as well in the try on part, but I absolutely love. और सबसे अच्छी चीज़ मुझे फ्रिकिन्स की लगती है is the quality of the jeans, the material and everything feels like jeans. And usually कौन से brands में ना the jeans feel like elastic वाला, वो जो पता नहीं, वो मटेरियल ही अलग होता है, थोड़ा स्ट्रेचेबल होता है, बट नॉट दिस वन. दिस वन इज लाइक डेनिम जीन्स. सो इफ़ यू वांट समथिंग लाइक दैट देन फ्रिकिन्स इज द वन. बिकॉज जितने भी मैंने अभी तक जीन्स उठाए हैं, डेनिम उठाए हैं, इट्स दैट डेनिम मटेरियल ओनली, नॉट दैट इलास्टिक वन. So yeah, pockets wise, it has 2 pockets over here and 2 pockets on the back. Nothing else. It's high-waisted, wide-leg jeans, and I feel everyone must have something like this in their wardrobe. This is something that you can pair up with short kurti tops as well. इसके नीचे काफ़ी ज़्यादा प्यारा लगता है. Any normal tops, crop tops, लिटरली यूज केस इसके अनलिमिटेड है. काफ़ी ज़्यादा पसंद आया था मुझे ये वाला जीन्स, स्पेशली द कलर, द शेड एंड एवरीथिंग अबाउट इट. आई एब्सोल्युटली लव इट, एंड इफ यू इंटरेस्टेड आई वुड हाईली रेकमेंड ग्रैब दिस वन. यू आर नॉट गोना बी डिसअपॉइंटेड. Next, I actually want to talk about the top that I'm wearing right now. This is also from Frickins. ये थोड़ा corset स्टाइल है जो मुझे काफ़ी ज़्यादा पसंद आया. दिस इज़ ऑल्सो डेनिम मटीरियल, और ये भी प्रॉपर लाइक डेनिम मटीरियल है. एंड आई लव द वे इट फिट्स एंड cinches my body. You can see how it's looking on me. I absolutely love it. And also इसका जो bottom area है, आप देख सकते हो, it's not like square or like flat. It has this curve detailing, वो भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा प्यारा लगता है. And as I said, it has like a corset design, but ये boning नहीं है. This is just a contrast stitching, and I love that black and white contrast stitching as well. Adds a lot of element to it. This is how the back looks like, and yeah, I absolutely love this top. I would highly recommend. Next, I picked up this cream cargo pant. मुझे cargo pant काफ़ी टाइम से चाहिए थे और मेरे पास एक भी नहीं है. Just normal denims I have, but I don't have anything that is a cargo fitting. So I absolutely love it. And also ये color भी मेरे पास नहीं है. I have white and then I have denims, but I don't have anything in this cream color. तो I'm very happy about that. And it's just a straight fit with cargo detailing. तो आप देख सकते हो काफ़ी ज़्यादा pockets है जैसे cargo में होते हैं. It has 2 ऊपर के pockets, and then it has 1 pocket over here at the side, 1 pocket over here on this side, and it does have this contrast stitching over here as well. Again, adds a lot of element to that cargo thing. ये already मैं पहन के धो चुकी हूँ, so that's the reason it's looking a little crumble. So अगर आपको try on part में अगर वो थोड़ा crumble लग रहा होगा, that is the reason why. Again, as I said, something like this I don't have in my closet, so I'm very happy to add this. And it's very soft and comfortable. Again, this is not like this वाला denim material. ये वाला थोड़ा अलग है, but it's not extremely flimsy और ऐसे गंदा कपड़ा ऐसा नहीं लग रहा है. It's actually good quality, and it's very comfortable and soft on my body, which I absolutely love. And it feels very comfortable wearing it. As I said, it's a straight pant. It's not like wide at the end. which I like. It looks so chic on shoes and a nice top. अगर आपको थोड़ा सा sporty look करना है, this is something that I would wear. Or even if you want to rock a sleek look with some tight top with this and some heels, it will look so good. I'm just waiting to style this up in so many ways. So yeah, love it. Next I picked up this Korean pant from Frickins. Frickins में इतने ज़्यादा variety है ना Korean pants के, you should definitely check it out. But I picked this one up. It's like a basic black Korean pant. I love the fit and the way it flows on my body. It cinches really nicely on the waist and then it flares at the bottom. आप देख सकते हो काफ़ी ज़्यादा wide है ये, but the way it flows and the way it looks. And Pinterest में ना मेरे काफ़ी ज़्यादा pins है and those kind of styling tips, and majority of them are wearing these kind of Korean pants. So मुझे Korean pants definitely चाहिए थे and I just love the way it fits and the way it looks. And इसमें भी pockets है, so 2 pockets in the front and नहीं, पीछे वाले जो pockets है वो fake है, so पीछे कोई भी pockets नहीं है. But front में it has 2 pockets and it does have this contrast detailing over here and I love that it has like this V shape at the back. And अगर आपको चाहते हो तो आप ऐसे भी इसे fold करके पहन सकते हो. If you don't mind this, then yeah, this is also something that you can wear. And yeah, it's not denim, obviously it's like a pant suit material and it's extremely soft and comfortable on my body and I just love the way it flows on my body. Definitely wanted something like this in my wardrobe, so I'm happy that I picked this one up. So yeah, big thumbs up if you want to get this one. Especially ये black वाला काफ़ी ज़्यादा प्यारा है. I think इसमें काफ़ी ज़्यादा color options भी है, grey है, blue है if I'm not wrong, and they have so many other styles in Korean pants itself. So yeah, love it. Next I picked up this skinny jeans from Frickins. क्या आप इसका color देख सकते हो? Look at that beautiful denim color and this is the reason I picked it up. Also मेरे पास पहले भी एक skinny jeans है. I always have at least one skinny jeans in my wardrobe. And वो वाला काफ़ी ज़्यादा पुराना हो गया है, धो के ख़राब भी हो गया है. So I just wanted to make sure I have another good pair of skinny jeans and this is that pair for me now. There's no rips whatsoever. It's just a basic skinny jeans. I know आजकल skinny jeans ज़्यादा कोई पहनता नहीं है. Everyone goes for wide leg, extra wide leg, this and that. And I also wear similar kind. अभी तक देख सकते हो जितने भी मैंने jeans मंगाए हैं, everything is straight or wide leg. And I tend to prefer that. But I need to have at least one. ऐसे कभी ना कभी तो कुछ ना कुछ तो outfit होता है जिसके साथ skinny jeans ही जाता है. So you need to have one skinny jeans, good skinny jeans. And I love the contrast detailing of the stitching as well. It's looking so premium. Love the quality of it. इसमें it definitely does have a little bit of that stretch along with denim. It's again not that patla wala denim जो जल्दी से खराब हो जाता है. This is good quality denim and it has a little bit of stretch which is perfect. I think skinny jeans में लगता है वैसा वाला stretch. And इसमें 2 pocket है in the front, 2 pocket है in the back, and yeah, it's just a basic skinny jeans, but I love the shade. So yeah, love it, absolutely love it. Definitely grab it. It's a beautiful skinny jeans. Love it. Next, I picked up another jeans in the same shade, but this is a cargo pant. आप देख सकते हो the pockets on it. Again, I love cargo pants. I think they just add so much more to the outfit. Like just wear this pant and then just wear a tank top, a ganji, a basic crop top. Just simple on the top, but this will add so much more character to your outfit. So I absolutely love cargo pants and I love this color. As I mentioned earlier, I love this denim color, and I think ye wala like cargo pants and all of that you need in all colors. I have the cream beige one, I have the denim now. I think I just need one in like a darker black or greyish color and then I'm sorted. So yeah, this is my denim cargo pants. Very beautiful and it's like heavy. So the denim, you can feel the weight of this denim and it's really good quality. I love the stitching. Again, it has this beautiful contrast stitching going on. Very pretty. Pocket wise, it has 2 pockets in the front, 2 pockets on the back, and side mein there are 2 more pockets over here on both sides and idhar bhi hai on both sides. So it's like a proper cargo pant. It's not wide leg, I would say it's a straight leg cargo pant, and I really like it, the way it fits. And I can just tell you, you can make so many outfits with this pant. So I absolutely love it. Again, the quality is 10 on 10, the way it fits and flares, the way it just sits on your body, it's a 10 on 10. So yeah, if you're interested, you can definitely grab it. This is the last pair of pant in today's haul. Like, look at this beautiful brown color. Again, something that I do not have in my wardrobe, and I'm happy that I'm experimenting and I'm grabbing colors that I don't usually go for, or I don't usually have in my wardrobe. Love this brown color, and I think cream and brown is such a beautiful combination. Or the color of this beautiful mocha brown, love it. Love this shade. It's so dark, but I think it complements my skin tone so well. I love this. It does not have any rips or whatever. It just is a straight or like a little bit wide pant. मैं बोल सकती हूँ. It does not have a lot of elements to it, but I love the color of this pant. It's simple, and sometimes I feel like you just need those simple pants to pair up the outfits. So yeah, it's this simple straight or wide leg pant in this beautiful mocha brown color. Love it. And इसमें दो pockets है in the front, दो pockets है in the back, and this is how it looks like. Absolutely love it. Again, the denim material is like a proper denim, just bleached in this color, and it definitely does have a little bit of that softness and no stretch whatsoever, but it definitely does have a very soft and comfortable feel on my body. So I love that. Again, all the jeans are in size 30, and that's what fits me. So yeah, love it. Definitely grab it. I love this brown color. So yeah, if you're interested, you can definitely grab it. And that's it for today's video, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Let me know in the comments down below what video do you want me to film next. सारे products के link मैंने description में दे दिए हैं. Also, Amazon's Prime Day sale is gonna start from July 12 to July 14. So make sure you get the shopping done now, because you can get up to 50 to 80% off on all top brands. Same day delivery. So get your shopping done now. As I said, सारे products के link मैंने description में दे दिए हैं. With that said, like, share, subscribe, hit the bell notification to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Anywhere you go.